Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to become R4 in Kingshot. If you're aiming to become an R4 in Kingshot, you're essentially stepping into one of the highest leadership position within your alliance. Alliances are ranked from R1 all the way to R5, with R5 being the leader. As an R4, you hold major authority, such as managing members, expelling players one rank below you, and helping lead alliance strategies. But how exactly do you get there? First, you'll need to join an active and organized alliance with consistent leadership, whether it's donating to tech, joining rallies, or supporting alliance events. Show reliability, teamwork, and initiative because leaders notice players who consistently add value. Building trust with your R4s and R5 is key, as only they can promote you to that position. Once they see you as dependable, active, and aligned with the Alliance's goals, you'll earn that R4 rank and take on true leadership responsibilities. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.